Hi there everyone, Life DIY Josie here. Welcome back to my channel. Today is Thrifty Thursday when I do a throwback of one low budget idea every Thursday. Today I'm going to be showing you how I organize my planner stickers. I am going to be using materials coming from the Dollar Tree, and this is only going to cost you $3 to make, plus probably additional few cents for the glue. So that I'm using is this Dollar Tree napkin holder. So I'm using 3 acrylic napkin holders, and this is going to be just straightforward. And what I'm doing here is I'm just going to be putting them together using hot glue. If you want to use E6000, go ahead and do so, or anything just like an epoxy glue or super glue, but I will be using my hot glue gun. And I can also extend this. If I add at the end, I can also expand. And just put some glue here along this line. And if you want to double up, that's fine. So the best way to do this is to attach it this way so that they're aligned. Okay. So things may ooze out. Make sure that it's not at the bottom because it will stick to your desk. Okay, perfect. And this glue dries fast, so if you want to kind of arrange it in a way that it is lined up better, then do so. So what I'm going to do in this other one is the one that I'm going to attach. So if you could see, I'm trying to stay at the middle, closer to the top than the bottom, because when it oozes out, I don't want it sticking to the desk. Okay, again, make sure you eyeball it so that they are lined up, and once you're sure they're lined up, then you stick them together. Okay, so good thing about the hot glue, it dries fast and it dries clear. Yep. Okay, now I am going to start organizing my stickers. I am going to be organizing here my planner stickers only, anything exclusive just for planning, because I have other stickers that I have a specific organization for, but this is the one that's just the things that I need for planning. And I don't really buy a lot of planner stickers online. I only get them from Michael's or even the Dollar Tree. If I think that they can be used as planner stickers, I use them. So this one's from Target Dollar Spot. I use them as well. And I have some kawaii stickers that I got from Amazon as well. Just buy the ones that I can afford because I'm on a tight budget, so I can only kind of buy the things that are available at bargain prices. You can see I'm also using the narrow portion to organize some of my sticker flags. Isn't that neat? So here's the simple $3 planner stickers organizer from the Dollar Tree. Okay, so like I said, I like being visual, so this acrylic doesn't hide anything. If you want to put labels, that's fine, but since I'm the one using it, I know exactly where things are going to be. So these are my functional or my page flag stickers. And these are my page flags here. And here's my Mambi planner stickers. Here's my recollection. And I plan to buy some more in the future, budget permitting. Here's my kawaii Hida stickers. Here's a sticker set of different colored foxes from the Dollar Tree. Here's another set of stickers with the emojis and stars from Target Dollar Spot. So as you can see, there are different styles here. Again, like I said, you can add to this if you want more. I'm propping this up on the desk where I do my planning. Okay, so I just like to show you how I set up my planner corner where I organize my planners that I use on a daily basis. as well as the planner stickers that I have just created this organizer for. And I want to show you this one also. So these are just added bonus here. So bonus tip number 1 here, use a container. It doesn't have to be a Dollar Tree container. Any container will do as long as your planners will fit. And this is just the perfect depth and width for my planners here. And of course, this is the one that I created. I love using the see-through acrylic napkin holders because it's not obstructed. I can see the designs of my planner stickers, and also I even added some list pads. I sometimes use list pads and even paper pads like this one to adorn or decorate my traveler's notebook. When it comes to journaling, I like layering the pages, and one of these days I'm going to give you a walkthrough on that. So this works perfectly fine. I can still add one more to kind of expand it, actually 2 more if I want to. If you've been following me here on my channel, you've probably seen my organizer for my washi. I created that washi organizer that you can fit 150 plus washis, and I made them using Dollar Tree sink mats, as well as those small white containers that they sell. They sell them from 3 to sometimes 4 or 5 for $1. But anyway, since that is located in my craft room, because I use washi not only for planning, I only put a small amount here. And this is a butter dish, acrylic butter dish from the Dollar Tree. So this is tip number 2 for you. This is bonus tip number 2. You know how the butter dish comes, that this is the bottom and this is actually the top, but I use it in reverse so that I can keep a few washis that I can use to decorate my planners. So what I use is, I use this tray, I go to my main washi organizer, that wall organizer, that hanging organizer that I created, and then I kind of pick out the colors that I think would work for me. For example, this week I want to use this one, so I pick them up and then I'll return them if I'm changing my theme next week. But so far so good. So I've been using this currently for the month of March on my traveler's notebook. So, and this other ones too, I kind of use them as well. So yeah, so it has a cover, it's perfect, and I only need this much for my planners. Yeah, so this is just how it's set up right now. So I just want to show you that it really works well. So hopefully I give you an idea on how to organize your planners, your planner stickers, your planning essentials, washi. I only buy a few of the stickers. Now, if you have a lot of stickers, then what you can do here probably in this kind of system is replace this on a weekly or on a monthly basis. You may need a bigger organizer. This one, again, for me, is just for my quick, okay, I need a functional sticker here and there, a page flag or something, then I can just easily grab them here, and that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this video, everyone, and I'll see you again next week for another Thrifty Thursday. Bye!